Hello, let's try to solve another question from time and work. P and Q can do a work in 24 and 18 days respectively. Here I have represented the given information. P can do one work in 24 days, and I have also find the amount of work P can do in one day. So in one day P can do less work, that is 1 by 24 work in one day. Similarly for Q, I have done the same. Both start to work together for some days and then P leaves the work. Let us suppose this someday to be X, so P and Q has worked together for X days. But at first let us try to solve how much work that together P and Q can do in one day. So to find this we have to add 1 by 24 work and 1 by 18 work. So on solving, we found P plus Q can do 1 by 24 plus 1 by 18 work, which is 7 by 72 work in one day. Now let's try to find how much work P plus Q can do in X days. So we can write P plus Q can do 7 by 72 times X work in X days. To find it, we can just multiply x on either side. Over here we can multiply 7 by 72 times x, and also for one day we can multiply it with x to find the work P plus Q can do in x days. So it be 7 by 72, 7x by 72 work in x days P plus Q can do. But we know that after working for x days, P leaves the work. So only the 7x by 72 work has been done together by P and Q, and the remaining work is for Q. To find the remaining work, I have subtracted 7x by 72 from 1, and on solving we get this. And that remaining work is finished by Q in 4 days. So Q finished 72 minus 7x by 72 work in 4 days. So let's try to solve how much work Q can do in 4 days. The finite work we can solve from here. Here one day has been multiplied to 4 days, and so has the work. So Q can do 1 by 18 times 4 work in 4 days. So on solving we get Q can do 2 by 9 part of work in 4 days, and we also know that Q does this remaining work in 4 days. So this work and 2 by 9 part of work should be equal. Here equating the work done by Q in 4 days. Here this both are the work Q does in 4 days. So on solving this gives x to be 8 days. Here some days which we have supposed to be x days, we found it to be 8 days. So both start to work together for 8 days, and then P leaves the work, means P and Q together has worked for 8 days. So when does P leave the work? It's P leaves the work after working for 8 days, which is our answer. So I hope you understood the problem solving part. So thanks for watching.